Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can find your saved post collection in Instagram. So in Instagram, you can save reels or also a post, and it will be saved to your collection that you can find later when you want to find it. So first, I'm going to just save, for example, this one's right here. And now to find a collection, you just need to go to your profile and then click on the three lines icon at the top right corner and go to saved. Okay, so in here you can just click on all posts to see all reels and also posts that you save on Instagram. And in here, this is the video, the all reels that I just saved, and it will be listed in here. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful to you. So don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. Bye.